Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing good. So let's start with the question. So the question is letter combination of a phone number. So what is given to you? You're given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive. Okay. You have to return all possible letter combination that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. Okay. So a mapping of a digit to letter just like the telephone button is given below. Note that one does not map to any other letter. Okay, so as you can see, this 2 is mapping to ABC. Similarly, 6 is mapping to MNO, 8 is mapping to TUV. So what we have to do, you have given a digit string, and like if you can see, for 2 we have ABC, and for 3 we have DEF. So we need to find all the combination out of that. So for ABC and DEF we have AD, AE, AF. Okay, so let's understand the question. Okay, so we have given this, you can say, phone map. Okay, so it's basically, if you remember the touchpads phone, there we have this, and in new phones also we have. So if you can see, 2 is mapping to a string A, B, C. Similarly, 9 is mapping to W, X, Y, Z. Okay, and this character 1, star, 0, and hash, like they don't belong to any string, so we will skip that. We only have to figure out for this 2 to 9 basically. Okay, so let's see the example one. So we have digit is 2, 3. Okay, so for the 2 we have A, B, C, and for 3 we have D, E, F. Okay, so what you just have to do, you have to make the combination. Like for the 2, at the time you can take only one character at a time. Like it's like when you press the button 2, you can only take one character at a time, and similarly when you do 3, you will take one character at a time. Okay, so let's start from A. You take this A. Okay, and after that, from the third character you take D. Okay, you take D. This is the one possible combination. Then again you change this, you come to this pointer. Okay, you take this E. So A will remain at that point only, and you take E. Then you again move further, your A's remain at that position only, A, and this is F. Okay, now after this you have make all the combination with A. Now you will move further, you will come at this position. Okay, so you will write B, and you will start again from here. So you will take D. Similarly you will take BE. Similarly you take BF, and now after this you will move further, you will come at here. So you will take C, you will take D. Okay, you will take CE, you will take CE. Okay, if you can see, this is 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. It is 9 combinations. So if we count 1 2 3 1 4 5 6 7 8 9, so this is 9. So you have to basically return all the combination in the string. Okay, let's see another example. So if your string is empty, so you just have to return the empty list. And let's say if your digit is only 2, so you have to return all the characters. Basically we'll take at any one character at a time. So we'll take A, then you return B, and we return C. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you. So let's see how we can approach this. For this we have several approach, but we can go, like, whenever there is a combination question, just think of a, you can say, a backtracking. So what is backtracking? Okay, so backtracking is just like you will traverse all the path. Basically you will try all the combination, and finally you will got your result. Okay, so it's like if you have two option from one path, so first you will go, let's say you will pick this. Okay, you will pick this, then again you have two option, so you will pick, let's say you pick this, then you complete and you return the answer, then you go to this direction. Okay, you will do this, then you come back and you will again return here. Now you have again option, like here you will go, you again have two direction, you will go. Okay, from this you will get the answer, similarly you will go. So basically backtracking means you will take one path at a time, and after traversing, like after reaching to the end of that path, you will take the previous path that you haven't take it. Okay, so it's basically you will traverse all the direction. So what we will do, basically we will do the backtracking here. So let's say 2 3 is given to you. Now first step, like where we get this map. Okay, so we'll create an array of 2 to 9, and where will they, like it's a string array. Okay, so we'll create a string array and we'll store all this string inside this array. Okay, so what we will do, basically we will iterate over this. So we will iterate over our given string, and we will basically take a result string and we will append. It's like you will do loop over this whoever the current string. So you will take, you can say result, and you will do array of C. Okay, so basically when 2 comes, you will go through its all the path. Okay, so 2 has ABC. Okay, so you will take, consider this. So result, let's take a result, and you will append this result. Okay, after doing this, you will call your recursion. Okay, whatever your recursion, so you will call it, and after doing all the path from this, you will basically remove the current character that you have inserted. Remove this result. Okay, so by this you can get all the combinations. So it's like we have this A, B, C and 2, and we have 3 as, you can say, D, E, F. So what we will do, we will take one character at a time and we will call its next string. Okay, so we will start from here. We will choose this, then we'll call the 3. Okay, so we'll call 3. So we'll choose this, then if there is any string, let's say there is 4, so we will pick that. If there is no 4, we will take this AD and our string become empty, so we'll just return AD. Okay, after this we'll move further. So we'll come at this position, then we take AE and we return AE. Okay, so it's a simple backtracking question. It will be more clear if we write the code for this. Okay, so what we need, we need an array. Okay, so let me create an array. So what first is ABC, then we have DEF, then we, okay, so we have created our array, but there is one problem. Okay, so this is basically, you can say, an array which is starting from the 0th index. Okay, so if you can see, the 0 is mapping to ABC, then 1 is mapping to DF, but in the question, like it's like 2 should be mapped into the ABC. So what we will do, we will take 2 number before it. So we'll take 0 and then 1. So after this, 2 will map to ABC, 3 will map to DF. So for this we take 0 and 1. Okay, so what we need after this, we'll take a list of string. We'll do list equal to new array list. Okay, so first step is to check whether the current, like the second example, if digits is empty. So if your digits is empty, then you just return the list. Okay, if it is not, then call the recursion function. So we'll call solve, we'll pass the digits. Okay, other than then we'll give a result. So I will take a string builder, because in string if we insert, so that will create a new string. Okay, so we'll take a new string builder and we pass this list. Okay, finally we return the list. So we have completed our main function. So let's write this solve. So void solve will take string digits, will take a string builder. Let me give result, and we'll take a list of string of list. Okay, so what we need to do, we'll take the current character. So 𝗓𝗄 equal to digits dot char at 0. Okay, so we have taken 2. After this we need to iterate, like we need to solve for the rest of part. Okay, so how we will find out the rest of, so we'll do string rest of string, we do digits dot substring from 1. Okay, so what it will do, every time it will remove the first character, and we got the string from after that, after removing the first character. Okay, so we got the rest of string. Now what we have to do, we basically need to call this. So what we will do, so it's like for char, let me just find out first string. So let me give a phone string. Okay, it will be like array of current character, like it's in the character form, so we'll convert it into integer. Okay, we got a phone string. After this we will iterate over this, so let me give a name as C. So it's like phone string dot to char array. Okay, so let me just give it let's say phone only. Okay, so what we have to do, we will iterate over this string, and first step is to do result dot append this phone. Okay, I don't know, I don't like this character, remove this C. Okay, so we'll do result dot append C. After this we'll call our recursion, we'll pass this digits, we'll pass this updated result, and we'll give this list. Okay, so if it is not a backtracking question, you don't have to remove it, but you have to basically iterate all the directions, so we will remove it. So result dot delete char at, you have to give the index, so it will be the last index, result dot length minus 1. Okay, so we have completed our main recursion function. So let me write just a base case. So if our digits, okay, is become empty, what you need to do, you just need to add it to our list. So list dot add result dot toString. Basically string builder we are not taking, we are taking a string, so we convert it into toString, and we just do return, because if we don't return from here, it will again go in this, and digit is empty, so it will give us exception. Okay, I think we have done with the logic, so let's run it. Okay, so we are getting runtime error. Okay, maybe there is some stack overflow. So we are taking, why it is giving at this point, we have added base condition, we have loop over this, and then we append our result and we pass the digits. Okay, so there is a mistake, we always pass the digit string, we are not sending the rest of string. Okay, so let me pass this and run it. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, cool. Our code is submitted. The time complexity is like every time you have to iterate over your phone string, and you have to call the recursion function, so it's a order of n square. And for the space we are using you can say a 9 extra characters, so that is extra, like it's a constant space we have taken. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching the video, and do join the Telegram group if you have any doubt and any concern. Thank you.